Hi, today we are going to learn how to redirect a user's search terms to a specific landing page on your site. The Search Console plugin drastically improves the default WordPress search function, directing users to relevant content without hassle. Automatically redirects user based on search queries, suggests query terms, and replace unwanted words. The Search Console plugin also protects your website from hackers and spam bots attempting to crash your site with DOS attacks. In this example use case video, we will consider how to redirect a user's search terms to a specific landing page on your site. With redirect, whenever a user searches for a certain word in the search bar, he will be redirected to an internal URL of your choice. Let's start acquainting with the plugin from its settings. Navigate to CM Search Console, Settings. In this use case, we will consider the options that are related to the redirecting feature only. In the feature control, you can disable or enable core features of this plugin. Disable redirect, disable replace, disable autocomplete, and disable banned rules. For our video, we need to be enabled only the rule for redirecting. Redirect settings. Enable uppercase or lowercase. If this option is enabled, then search requests with different upper and lower cases will be considered as not the same. The loading settings section. Disable loading. Disables the loading icon after searching. Loading label. Change the text of searching label. Now click the button Update to save the changes. Now it's time to create some rules for redirecting users to definite pages when they search for some definite terms. Navigate to CM Search Console, Dashboards. Head to the tab Redirect Dashboard. There are two crucial fields for creating a rule: keyword and URL destination. In the first field, you need to write a keyword that will trigger a transfer to a URL link that you need to write in the second field. You can delete the rule at any time by clicking the button Delete next to it. And don't forget to click the button Save Changes after creating or deleting the rule. To cancel the actions before they were saved, click the button Cancel. In the same way, you can create any number of rules. To add a new rule, just click the button Add Redirect. Let's look at the example of how the list with a few created rules can look like. And here are some notes. URL destination. It should be absolute path. Keyword. It doesn't have to completely match the term. You can put asterisks at the end to allow a partial match. So there can be any symbols before and after the keyword, and it will match as the same term. The main rule is the characters inside of the found term must match the keyword. Now let's see how it works on the front end. One more useful feature is Search Terms Log. Navigate to CM Search Console, Search Terms Log. Here you can see and manage the statistics and activity with search requests. There is a table with all terms that users searched on your site. Here you can do the following things: erase the log, filter search terms by date, search for definite term in the log to see its statistics, filter search requests that redirected users to specific URLs, order the items in the log by terms, and order the items in the log by the number of how many times it's been searched. You can also hover on any item and apply a few actions. Define term in the redirect list. Click it to define a URL link for redirecting right here. This rule will also appear in Redirect Dashboard. Search the term. If click on it, you will be redirected to the front end of your site to see what search results can be found for this term. Remove. Remove this record from the log. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to configure redirecting a user's search terms to a specific landing page on your site. Thanks for watching the video.